O Bekhabar is a very, very pretty number. It truly is very, very beautiful on the ear. But the situation, the viewer will have to see as to how it fits in the film.
Good. 1, 2, 3, 4.
This is a song where she's supposed to pretend as a very sweet girl vis-a-vis the character in the film, which is a very bindas girl, and she has to do it for a reason. And again, a beautiful, beautiful romantic song, something that Pritam is very easy with.
2, 3, 4.
I think a lot of the situations in the film will have its own little comic relief kind of going on, because it's got so many such funny moments in the storyline. But at the same time, it's a very beautiful melody, and hence I think that's one of the main reasons why Vipul has kind of retained the softness in the visual, the very lyrical, very pretty romantic aspect of the music in the visuals.
We wanted to shoot it in a way that it would have a certain dream quality to it. There are certain shots in the song where you feel that this is surreal, because Ash is putting up an act of behaving like a nice, sweet, cute girl, and it comes at a juncture where it's just perfect for audience to have that breather of a beautiful, romantic, melodious song of that era. And sure enough, Ash is in her element. She's danced beautifully.
और माछल घाट में ऑलरेडी मैं रावण फिल्म के शूटिंग के लिए वो लोकेशन देखने गए थे, तो एक अलग मूड का गाना है, रोमांटिक सॉन्ग है और वेल पिक्चराइज सॉन्ग है। हो बेखबर ये गाना, मतलब मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगा कि फॉरेन जाके शूटिंग करने की ज़रूरत है, बेस्ट लोकेशन।
I'd been to that same location, Malsej, for a very different film, Ravan, and that was a very intense, very serious piece. It wasn't exactly the same spot at the location, but it was close by, another area. Slightly, it was a different time of the year, so we got different weather conditions, which quite changed the way the place looked. Beautiful nevertheless. And my God, what a different film, what different styling, what a different song. So yeah, it was surreal, I think, to be at the same location and doing something so different, so soft and tender and beautiful and melodious as in O Bekhabar.
नहीं डाउन चिल डाउन अच्छा अच्छा
And at the same location, I was doing very severe, very strong, very demanding, as in drenched in the rain, tied to the trees, being physically put through very, very tough conditions in Ravan at that same location.
बेसिकली फिल्म में जो एक लुक है ऐश्वर्या का, और ये वो बेखबर उस गाने का जो लुक है टोटली डिफरेंट है, बहुत ही फेमिनाइन टाइप का है, बहुत ही एक हीरोइन जो पुराने ज़माने में होती थी वो किस तरह से नखरा करती थी, जो अदाएँ थी, वो सब इस गाने में आपको ज़रूर दिखाई देगी। जो बेसिकली अक्षय फर्स्ट टाइम वो देख के मतलब उस गाने में मतलब अरे तो डिफरेंट लड़की है, डिफरेंट स्टाइल है, डिफरेंट वॉक है, वो पूरा एक थॉट जो प्रोसेस था वो बहुत अच्छा था।
आजी
आदि अंदर ही रहेगा,
ओके सिर्फ बाकी बाहर आएगा।
अक्षय निकला, डांस कर रहा है, फिर वो आके पकड़ेगा। And there is a particular walk with which Akshay walks towards Ash whenever he sees her. I mean, something happens to him and he starts, his walk changes. And that walk comes in the film for the first time in this song. So in that sense, it's a very important twist in Akshay's character. Small though, but very important and interesting twist. We didn't want to emulate any actress, but there is a certain pattern of blouses and saris which Sharmila ji was known for. Even Mumtaz had worn saris in a certain way. So Saira ji, Mumtaz, Sharmila, all those references were kept in mind while making these saris and the blouses, and I think they look pretty interesting in today's world and time.
इस गाने के लिए मतलब एक रेफरेंस था कि वो गाना था पड़ोसन फिल्म का, मैं चली ना ना ना, तो उस ढंग में जो एक अदाएँ थी, जो एक अलग मोड़ था, उसको कोशिश करते हुए कुछ हम लोगों ने किया। लेकिन डेफिनेटली गाने को एक जब हम मालसेट घाट गए थे, हम लोगों ने जब गाना शूट किया तो वहाँ पे हम लोग को मतलब लोकेशंस थोड़ी इतनी अच्छी मिली, जैसे कि एक पेड़ मिल गया, जैसे पेड़ के ऊपर हम लोगों ने खड़ा करके मतलब कुछ फेमिनाइन मूवमेंट्स दिए हुए डिफरेंट तरीके से, घास के बड़े बड़े सूखे घास के ढेरों के बीच में शूट किया हुआ, तो लुक डिफरेंट।
कैमरा 1 2 3 4।
मेरे ख्याल से सेजल ने और बहुत ही डिफरेंट तरीके से उसको पिक्चराइज किया हुआ।
अपने ऑयल के बड़े ड्रम होते हैं ना, उसके साथ में लकड़े का और फल्ली का पूरा पैकिंग बना के उस मजबूत किया है उसको। तो ड्रम में एयर होता है, वो उसको पूरा एयर प्रूफ कर दिया है, उसके ऊपर फल्ली मार के उसको कलर किया है। तो अभी वो पानी में डालेंगे तो एकदम फ्लोट जैसा तैरता रहेगा।
I think this is after the final sound was ready, we thought of promoting this song as the second song of the film, because I believe that it has a potential of becoming blockbuster. It reminds me of one of the famous songs from Singh is King, Teri Aur. I think it is in that world. Teri Aur was my most favorite song of Singh is King, and I hope that Bekhabar lives up to the mark there.